So, you guys, today I will be doing this makeup look. I know, probably a most basic look ever, but I just wanted to come out here and talk to you guys about why I haven't been filming and what's coming up next and just life, I guess. I don't really know. I'm a little nervous, I'll be honest. I'm a little nervous because I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I really don't know. And if my voice level changes throughout the video, I apologize in advance because my kids were sleeping and now they're up. But that's would explain the voice changing. It'd be that. Okay, so let's just, I guess, oh, and the products I used during my makeup, I didn't really show them. I'm just gonna mention them on the description box down below. So I guess if you guys want to know what I used, then look there. I didn't really do this as a makeup tutorial. I just did this to hang out with you guys and talk to you guys, and yeah, that's it. So let's just get into it. So, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes like I always do. I don't know if you guys can hear me. We're about to see. My brushes are so dirty. I have not even cleaned them at all. I need to clean them. In one of the recordings, my camera had died and I was just talking. So I'm back. As y'all can see, I'm back and ready to start creating content again and showing you guys some makeup tutorials, some open boxing, is that, how's it called when you do a collective hauls. I'm ready to start showing you guys my Amazon favorites because Lord knows I've been ordering a lot from Amazon, especially during this pandemic. I want to talk to you guys about why I hadn't been filming and why I'm starting to film again. And honestly, you guys, I'm so excited to be back. And I've honestly missed filming so much. And the reason why I hadn't been filming was because I was living with my mother-in-law because me and my husband are trying to save for a house, right? So we were living there and we didn't have space. I didn't have space to film. It was a lot of people in the house, so it was just, there was no way for me to be able to film, so I had to just stop. And now where we're at now, I can start filming again. And I'm really excited to be back. And talking, and I never realized it until like I got to the contour part. But I was talking to you guys, and I haven't really created a schedule yet, but I do know I'm gonna be uploading every week starting with this video. So I guess just depending to see how long it takes me to edit a video, then I'll start slowly coming up with a schedule. I was asking you guys how y'all are doing during this pandemic. I hope you guys are doing okay, but if y'all are not, I am here for you guys, and if you guys want to talk or anything, DM me, email me, or anything you guys want to talk about or whatever. Let me do a little catch-up moment here. In case you're new, I have two kids, a boy and a girl. My boy is 2 years old and my girl is 7 months old. Cutest babies, but I'm sure every mom says that about their kids, right? see what else. I did mention already I'm a makeup artist, in case y'all don't know me. Contour can literally do anything. Damn, look at that transformation though. I swear. You guys, I swear. Also, you guys, let me know what your favorite shows on Netflix are, your favorite books, things like that. I really would like to know. I need a new show to watch. I need new books to read. Things like that. Oh, you guys, you know what else I want to do? I really want to do more makeup reviews. I just don't know what makeup. I never know what makeup to review. You know what I mean? Because I want to try everything. So sometimes I'll be like, oh, I should do review this one. But the next thing you know, something else new pops out. And I'm like, oh, now I want to review that one. I don't know. Which one should I review? So it would be really cool. And I really appreciate if you guys told me what makeup products would be fun for me to review. I would love to do that as well, because I did like kind of a blog post type. I don't know if you guys follow me on my Instagram. I'll link it down below if you are not. But what was I saying? Don't you hate when that happens? You're like saying something and then out of nowhere, like, se te va el avión. Literally, ahorita se me fue el avión. I'm like, what? Oh, shoot. What was I saying? There we go. I did a blog post type of review on Instagram. It's the Huda Beauty. I reviewed these, the Mint, the Rose, and this one, and they're so beautiful, you guys. So freaking beautiful. Let me show you guys my all-time favorite blush. It's this one. I've hit pan. The top is open. I don't even know what the name of it is, what the brand is, because it's kind of like disappeared. What is it? The name is Bronze. I can kind of see it a little bit. I don't know if it will focus. Look how beautiful that blush is. I am ready. I don't have that many blushes. I have like 3, because I used to not be a blush girl. And I used to not be a blush girl because I had a lot of acne here, so now it's just like healing. And now that it's healing, I'm becoming a blush girl. And you guys, I want to test out new blushes. I don't know which way to go though. And if I could, I would just go out on a shopping spree of blushes. But your girl can't, because her bank funds will tell her no. The highlight I love is the highlight. Well, it's not a highlight. It's from the eyeshadow palette from James Charles. It's the Morphe X James Charles, and it's this one. As you guys can see, I've kind of hit pan on it. And what I wish they did is, I wish they made just that color into a highlight. My favorite highlight. Maybe I need to try more highlights to say something else is my favorite. Who knows? What highlights, what blushes, what makeup products do you love? I would love to try the makeup products that you guys like. I want to know what products make you like crazy, like you always gravitate towards those. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense. But if you know what I mean, please down below tell me your all-time favorite makeup, your all-time favorites, whatever. I really want to know what you guys like. I want to test out different things. I want to see everything. I really don't know how my editing skills on this video will be. We'll see. I don't know if I've lost touch. I wasn't all that great of an editor anyway. Let's be honest. I really wasn't. But I mean, I don't know how it will be, and I hope the editing skills aren't too bad. I really do. But I'm gonna apologize in advance. Which I don't know if that's me not having confidence in myself or being honest with myself. Because let's be honest, I'm not a tech genius. I'm really not. I bought this lipstick and I bought this lipstick at a makeup show, and I think it's such a beautiful color, but I don't wear it often. I'm gonna wear it right now. Wow, that's pretty. I hadn't used this lip liner yet. Right now, I'm reading the After series, and it's actually a pretty good series. Started reading it because Twitter told me to read it. Damn, who is she? I still need my lashes though. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do a fun editing trick. Okay, ready? Lashes on. Yeah. Ooh, lashes on. You see that? My son just woke up just in time. I'm about to film my outro and intro. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and hear me babble or talk or whatever, and I can't wait to do more videos. I know it's a millionth time I said that. Okay, girlfriend, we heard you, right? Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to do more. See you guys next time, I guess, and wish me luck in my editing, because we'll see how many mistakes I made during this video. We'll see how long it takes me to edit, and let's see what kind of editing style I come up with, because I have no idea what I'm doing. ¿Está ya tu abuela, papi, en el cuarto? ¿Tu abuela está en tu cuarto? ¿Tu abuela está en tu cuarto?
Oh, hermana.
¿Con tu hermana? Sí.
Ya despertó, hermana.
¿Ya se despertó tu hermana? Sí.
Está en la puerta.
Sí, ya la puerta está abierta. La puerta está abierta. Que la puerta está abierta.
¿Esta?
Ajá. Okay. So cute. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye, my beauties. I love you guys so freaking much. And thank you guys for the support. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.